Setting up your Google TV Streamer 4K for the first time, let me walk you through how to set up your Google TV Streamer and the voice remote step by step. Inside the box, you'll have the Google TV Streamer, the remote and batteries separately, a charging brick, and a long USB cable for power. What is not included is an HDMI cable, so it's recommended that you use a high-speed HDMI cable to ensure 4K support. Let's start with inserting the batteries into the remote so we don't forget it. Then plug in the cable into the Type-C port of the streamer, and the Type-A interface will go into the adapter. Grab an HDMI cable, plug one end into the streamer and the other end will go into one of the HDMI ports of your smart TV. There's also an Ethernet port using which you can connect your Google TV Streamer directly to a router for more stable wired connection. Now plug in the streamer into power and you should see the white LED blinking. Now you just need to go to your smart TV's input menu and choose the HDMI port with your streamer connected. You'll see the Google TV logo, and right after that you'll have to pair your remote. We already have the battery inserted, and to put it into pairing, just hold both the home and back button together like it's shown here, and you'll see a white LED. Then your remote will beep and get connected to your streamer. So let's start the setup by choosing our language, then region. Now connect your Wi-Fi if you didn't choose a wired connection. Then it may download some system updates, and the update may take a while to download, so be patient and don't turn off the streamer or the TV. When it's done, your Google TV Streamer will restart, then sign in with your Google account. Now you need to accept the terms of services, and after that you can also choose whether you want to send analytics data and share location with Google. If you're more privacy concerned, then you can turn these off and click accept. Then it will push a newsletter request, and we're gonna choose no thanks. Now you can enable some Google Assistant features by clicking on allow, I agree, and turn on. Now if you have a Google Home app set up, it will ask you in which home you want to add your streamer. Then choose the room that your streamer is located in. Now you can choose your favorite streaming services, which will be installed while your TV finishes setup, so that you can jump into entertainment right away. Just select your choices and click confirm. In this part, we're gonna set up our Google TV Streamer's voice remote so that we don't need to use the TV remote to control our TV's volume and turn our TV on or off. So try using the remote and see if you can increase or decrease the volume. In case you're able to do it right away, then choose continue. Or else follow the prompts to set up. In the next screen, you'll be able to create multiple profiles so that the recommendations are separated. You can also create a profile for your kid, but we can also do it later, so I'll just press go to Google TV. Congrats! Just like that, you have set up your Google TV Streamer 4K with your smart TV. So now you can start enjoying all the exclusive content. If you found this useful, let us know and stay tuned for more.